In 8th grade, section 11.6, we're dealing with areas of parallelograms, trapezoids, and triangles. So, the area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. Now, it looks like the area of a rectangle and area of a square, base times height. But the problem is, because a parallelogram doesn't always have a straight shot like a rectangle or a triangle, you know, like the right angles, the height is from one of the corners straight down right angle, and that's how I find the height. So it's not just any height, it has to be that 90-degree height. It can't be the slanted length, okay? The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, and again, the height is found from one of the vertex straight down right angle, okay? And the area of a trapezoid is a little tricky. You have two bases. You have the top and the bottom base, okay? The height is the same as all these, like it's from vertice straight down at a right angle, but you have two bases. So you do one, so it's the same as this, except you're adding the bases together and then you're multiplying it by the height in 1/2. So here are the equations. I'm not going to make you memorize these, but I do need you to know how to use them and what each letter means. So let's try some example problems. Go ahead and write this down. I'm going to put it like right here. Can you see that? Hopefully. Okay, so in this case right here, they want us to find the area. So we have to first identify what this is. Luckily, the example problems match here, but it's not always going to be the case, so please make sure that you're able to identify which shape is which. So the first one wants us to find the area. My height equals 6.2, and my base equals 4.3. So my area would be 6.2 times 4.3. 26.66. And remember, we're dealing with measurements here, so don't forget to put the inches, and because we're dealing with with area, we're dealing with inches squared. This needs to be labeled correctly. Area is in squared, and I have to put the measurement it's being measured in. Okay? Next one is a triangle. So this is, I can find the height here by doing a right angle, but this is also giving me the height right here. Oh, the right angle would look like this. Okay, so there's two places. This one they gave me, it doesn't matter, it's the same thing. It's still the height. So I'll have area equals 1/2 base times height. My base is 3.9, and my height is 6.4. So I'm going to do 1/2 3.9 times 6.4. Because it's multiplication, doesn't matter which I do first. I can multiply these two together first or these two together. I'm going to multiply these two together first. So 3.9 times 6.4 gives me 1/2 24.96. And then I divide that by 2. I have 12.48. Again, I'm dealing with area, so this is going to be feet squared. Don't forget that squared. Last one. Yay! Okay, let me find the color here. Let's do red. Okay. So this one, the equation is, I'm going to add the bases together. I kind of erased it, my apologies. So A equals 1/2 height, B1 plus B2. So let's locate this. Our height is 6 meters. Our B1 is 5 1/4, and this is B2, 7 1/2. So we're going to make this 5.25, and this is 7.5. So let's plug it in. Area equals 1/2 my height, which is 6, and then 5.25 plus 7.5, which means I'm going to do 1/2 times 6 times 12.75. So we're going to do 12.75 times 6, 76.5. Okay, and then we're going to, times 1/2. We're going to divide that by 2. 38.25, and this will be meters, and again I'm dealing with area squared. Right? So go ahead and write this down. Okay? Hopefully this made sense. We're doing our areas. As long as we can locate what each letter means, and we put it in, and we do the order of operations. Now this one is, these two are simple because it's multiplication, so it doesn't really matter which one because you're only multiplying. But this one's very important that you do the parentheses first, and then you can multiply whichever one's first. So write this down. Try page 665, numbers 1 and 5, 665, numbers 1 and 5, and I will see you in class.